Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are preparing for BBA exams, you know how important it is to score well in the English proficiency section. Strong English skills are essential for success in business world, and BBA exams are designed to test your ability to communicate effectively in English. In this video, we will discuss some effective tips and tricks to help you improve your English proficiency skills and ace the English section in BBA exams. So stay tuned guys. But before we move on, we have an important announcement to put forward that whether if you're preparing for the year 2023, 2024 or 2025, we have launched the batches for the same. If you're looking for the live class and online session, you can contact our number 8828581455. If you're looking for the classroom sessions, you can visit our centers Vasai, Dadar, Borivali, Thane, and we are soon coming up with a center in Pune as well. You can also follow us on social media such as Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel Manure BBA Entrance for all the videos related to BBA. Regardless of the batches you have joined, you will be provided with the video lectures, mock test, books and ebooks, shortcut tips and tricks, mentorship strategies, and many more things guys. So what are you all waiting for? Just head to our numbers and book your seats right away. Now let's look at the topics you will be learning in the English language or the English proficiency section. So these are the topics you will be learning such as vocabulary, synonyms and antonyms, English comprehension, English proficiency, fill in the blanks, idioms and phrases, one word substitution, analogies, spelling mistakes, rearrangement of words in sentences, rearrangement of sentences in paragraph, English usage errors, common error, close test, spotting errors, inappropriate uses of words. So guys, English proficiency is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about your ability to read and understand complex text, analyze information, and communicate your throughout clearly and concisely in writing. That's why in this video, we will cover not only grammar and vocabulary but also reading comprehension and writing skills as well. So whether you are a native English speaker or a non-native speaker, by the end of this video you will have a better understanding of what to expect in the English proficiency section of BBA exams and how to improve your skills. Now, the very first area to focus on is grammar. The grammar section in BBA English evaluates your knowledge of English grammar, including sentence structure, verb tenses, subject-verb agreement, and parts of speech. To improve your grammar skills, you need to brush up on the basics rule of English grammar. Start by identifying your weak areas and then review those topics thoroughly. Use grammar books, resources, and practice tests to reinforce your understanding. Practice identifying and correcting errors in sentences. This will help you to identify common mistakes and learn how to avoid them. The next area to focus on is vocabulary. Building your vocabulary is essential for the English proficiency section. The vocabulary section in BBA exams evaluates your knowledge of words, their meanings, and their usage. To improve your vocabulary, start by reading extensively. Read books, newspapers, and magazines. Use a dictionary to look up unfamiliar words and make a note of them. Make flashcards or use vocabulary building apps to memorize new words. Practice using new words in sentences and try to incorporate them into your writing and speaking. So guys, this way you can have your upper hand on the vocabulary section. The next section is reading comprehension. The reading comprehension section in BBA exams evaluates your ability to understand and analyze written material. To improve your reading comprehension skill, you need to read actively and critically. Start by reading a variety of text such as newspapers, magazines, and books. Practice identifying the main area, supporting details, and author's purpose. Take notes while you read and summarize what you have read in your own words. This will help you to understand and remember the information better. In addition, practice answering reading comprehension questions. Look for practice tests or in study guides and use them to test your skills. Guys, we also have the reading comprehension sectional course available on our website I'll pin down the link in the description box. You can check out the description box and you can start working on your reading comprehension. Pay attention to the types of questions that are asked and practice answering them with evidence from the text. And that is how you can have your upper hand in the reading comprehension section. Last but not the least is writing skills. The writing section in BBA exams evaluates your ability to write clear, concise, and coherent English. To improve your writing skills, practice writing regularly. Start by identifying your weaknesses in writing, such as sentence structure, grammar, and punctuation. Use writing guides and resources to learn how to improve in those areas. Practice writing essays, reports, and emails, and ask for feedback from a teacher or tutor. In addition, practice writing under timed condition. This will help you to improve your writing speed and organization skills. Use outlines to organize your thoughts and ideas before you start writing. So guys, improving your English proficiency skills take time and practice. By following the tips and strategies in this video, you will be well on your way to acing the English proficiency section in BBA exams. Remember, it's important to approach English proficiency as a holistic skill set, which involves improving your grammar, reading comprehension skills, as well as your writing and speaking skills. It's also important to remain consistent in your efforts to improve your English proficiency skills. Make a study plan, set goals, and track your progress regularly. Surround yourself with English language materials, whether it be books, movies, or TV shows, to immerse yourself in the language and practice using it in context. Lastly, don't be afraid to seek help or guidance from a tutor or a mentor. They can provide valuable feedback and help you identify areas for improvement. With dedication and hard work, you can improve your English proficiency skill and achieve success in BBA exams. So that's all from my side, guys. If you want to join our batches, all the necessary details and the numbers are pinned down in the description box. You can check the description, and if you want to work on your reading comprehension, or if you want any of the study materials, be it books, mock test, sectional courses, or full course, all the necessary links are given in the description box. You can check the description. So that's all from my side, guys. Until then, see you in the next video.